morning, I'm John Huntsman. I work for Tom's Fahrzeugtechnik in Germany, and this is a renovation on a 78 series Land Cruiser that we've recently done for my own use, for travelling in Africa or Middle East or around the world, and it's called a World Cruiser.
Oh, so we shall have a look at the living accommodation.
Absolutely, yes. The beds, the sleeping system is stacked up at the moment, so it's 2 or 3 seconds just to pull it down on the rail. The bed is 1 metre 40 wide and as long as you like. There's built-in fridge, cooker, gas cooker, or you can have a diesel cooker, Webasto heater inside, one on the engine for cold climates, movable table, sitting area. The bags in the side are for storage, and under here is all storage, and this side are water tanks, hot and cold water, built-in fridge.
Shall we go have a look inside?
You can with pleasure.
Now, is
2 gas burners.
Yes, because that looked electricity there for a moment.
No, that's gas. We have 2 gas bottles, and then we have mixer taps for hot and cold water. The water is heated from the engine, and you can, as long as you drive in the evening and the next morning, you will have hot water for washing up, or showers, or whatever. This is a built-in fridge.
And it's ready to go?
And it's ready to go, sure. The tonic's in, the gin's in another cupboard.
And it seems as though there's a lot of room for a small vehicle.
Yes, the roof lifts up, we can stand up. I'm not so big, but somebody at 6 foot tall can easily stand up inside, and there's seating for 2 people. Some of the vehicles are a little bit longer, and you can have it 4-door for 4 people. 2 people sleep up, 2 people can sleep down. Ideal for families with 2 children, or 3 adults can travel in relative comfort.
Now, what about washing?
Washing's concerned, we have hot and cold water system. Plug the shower in here, hook it in the roof. We have a tent to go over the back, so it's all enclosed. You can have a hot shower twice a day, no problem at all.
How big's the water tank?
100 litres, 300 litres of fuel, so there's good distance for travelling, and the water tanks can be inside the vehicle or underneath. If you want to travel in northern climes where it's very cold, it's maybe better that you have the water tanks inside the car where we can insulate them, and if it's -10 or -20 outside, the water is okay undercover.